WSO2 is an open-source integration platform that provides a comprehensive set of tools and technologies for building and managing APIs, microservices, and enterprise integration solutions. This tutorial will guide you through the process of harnessing the potential of WSO2 as a developer. Let's get started. 1. Installation and setup. Download WSO2. Visit the WSO2 website, https://wso2.com, and download the desired WSO2 product, such as WSO2 API Manager or WSO2 Enterprise Integrator. Install WSO2. Follow the installation instructions provided in the official documentation for the specific WSO2 product you downloaded. 2. Understanding the WSO2 ecosystem. WSO2 Carbon Platform. WSO2 products are built on the WSO2 Carbon Platform, providing a common foundation for all WSO2 products. WSO2 Micro Integrator. WSO2 Micro Integrator is a lightweight integration runtime designed for microservices and cloud-native architectures. WSO2 Identity Server. WSO2 Identity Server is an identity and access management (IAM) product that provides security and single sign-on capabilities. WSO2 API Manager. WSO2 API Manager enables the creation, publishing, and management of APIs. WSO2 Developer Studio. WSO2 Developer Studio is an Eclipse-based IDE for developing WSO2 integration solutions. 3. Building APIs with WSO2 API Manager. Create an API. Use the WSO2 API Manager Publisher to create a new API by providing details such as API endpoint, operations, and policies. Apply security. Secure your APIs by enforcing authentication, authorization, and applying security policies such as OAuth2 or JWT. Publish and manage APIs. Publish your APIs to the developer portal, where developers can discover, subscribe, and consume your APIs. Use the API Manager's analytics capabilities to monitor and manage API usage. 4. Integration development with WSO2 Enterprise Integrator. Create an integration project. Use WSO2 Developer Studio to create a new integration project. Design integrations. Use the graphical interface of the Integration Studio to design integration flows using connectors, mediators, and message processors. Transform data. Utilize the powerful data transformation capabilities of WSO2 EI, such as XSLT, JSON, and XML transformations. Deploy and manage integrations. Deploy your integration project to the WSO2 Enterprise Integrator runtime and manage it through the WSO2 EI Management Console. 5. Working with WSO2 Micro Integrator. Create a microservice integration. Use WSO2 Developer Studio to create a new microservice integration project. Define APIs and endpoints. Define APIs and endpoints using the lightweight integration flow language of WSO2 Micro Integrator. Apply mediation logic. Apply mediation logic using inbuilt mediators to transform, enrich, and route messages within the integration flow. Deploy and manage microservices. Deploy your microservice integration project to the WSO2 Micro Integrator runtime and manage it through the WSO2 Micro Integrator Management Console. 6. Extending WSO2 products. Custom mediators. Develop custom mediators to add custom logic or integrate with external systems. Extensions and connectors. Extend WSO2 products by developing custom extensions and connectors to integrate with external systems or add new functionality. Adapters and transports. Develop custom adapters and transports to integrate with specific protocols or systems. 7. Learning resources. WSO2 documentation. Refer to the official WSO2 product documentation and user guides available on the WSO2 website. WSO2 community. Engage with the WSO2 community through forums, blogs, and the official WSO2 community website, https://community.wso2.com. WSO2 GitHub. Explore the WSO2 GitHub repositories, https://github.com/WSO2 for sample code, extensions, and connectors. By following this practical tutorial, you can unlock the potential of WSO2 and leverage its powerful capabilities for building robust integration solutions, managing APIs, and developing microservices. Experiment, explore the extensive feature set of WSO2, and collaborate with the vibrant WSO2 community to enhance your development skills and create innovative solutions.